Write this problem. Find x such that x power x is equal to 2 power 2048. We have to find out the value of x. Here how do we find out mean? Here 2 power 2048 is written as 2 into exponential idea 1024. We take 2 outside this bracket. Here next 2 into, again we take 2 outside this, 512. Here 2 into 2, 4. Here we again take 2 outside is 2, 5, 6. Here 2 into 4, 8. 2 power 8 into 2 power 5, 6. This 2 power 8 means 2, 5, 6 வரும். இதோட whole power எழுதலாம் இது. Exponential idea a power mn is written as a power m whole power n. A power m whole power n. Therefore 2 power 8